It is really pouring outside. So the lights like flicker or something. I don't have a ghost, it's just the rain. You can probably hear it. But anyway, on with the continued unbagging of FuncCino's Ragnarok set. I did get pretty much the whole outfit except the really OTT accessories, just because I didn't think I would really wear those. I'm already not going to wear this amazing suede cloak that often, and that's a shame. So I didn't want to tempt myself with things like crowns and veils. But anyway, I also got the matching blouse. I actually fell for the full set. I don't normally do that. Normally only like 1 or 2 pieces, but this is really cool. It's got such a specific look to it that I thought it would be difficult to find things that really suited the aesthetic, if you will. Alright. Ooh, this feels really nice. Oh, it also came in the same bag, but with a zip. I guess I could use that for maybe wigs or something. That'd be pretty cool. Alright, so it's kind of a peasant blouse style again. I got it in that beautiful wine color. And it's got this really cool, thick, attached belt, which will really help cinch in the waist, I think. I really liked the way it looked over top of the skirt because it sort of flares out like a peplum. And that's really good for my body type because I have a really short waist that's much smaller than my rib area and my hips. So when you cinch it in a little, it gets a little cartoony and I kind of dig it. But yeah, this is also something I didn't think would look as nice in person. I was thinking it would be almost that kind of cheapy, you know what I mean, the craft, excuse me, craft kind of roping, but I was wrong. I feel so bad for underestimating this brand now. But it's really gorgeous. It almost looks like it actually has gold chains strung through there. It doesn't. I'm sure it'd be significantly more expensive if it did. But it looks like that, and that's what matters. So yeah, it's good length. It's got some shirring in the back, and it does have these little waist ties. I think the waist is just a bit larger than mine, so that will help give it some good shape. And I can also tuck it in, so that gives it a lot of versatility. And it's really light too, which is kind of funny because the skirt and the cloak are so darn heavy. But up top is where I sweat the most, so maybe I can actually wear this, probably during autumn. I can't imagine wearing it during the summer, but it's gorgeous. Alright, and I got the headband that matched, and it is wired, which I didn't expect at all. I thought it was just gonna be like a loose strip of fabric, but it is actually moldable. It's got a wire going through the whole thing, so you can have it be whatever shape you want. So like if you really want it to be a Viking Lolita with a big bow on your head, you could do that, but as you can see, I prefer things like this, like a headband, so that'll actually make it stay on better. It's made of that same gorgeous tapestry material, and it's got, I believe those are Fenrir and the snake, whose name completely eludes me right now. Oh, I'm so bad. You know who I mean. The one who circles the earth. Ah, I'm terrible. Anyway, forgive me for being a fake fan of Norse mythology. I'm just bad at names, really. So last but not least is this hoop skirt by Boguta? Boguta? Not sure how to pronounce it. I've heard lots of good things about it. And again, because, whoa! It attacked me. You saw it. You all saw it. I've heard lots of good things about this brand of hoop skirt in particular, and since I live in the really hot weather, as I was randomly complaining to you about earlier, I figured having something like this would be better. It's like turned in, I don't know what happened. Something happened. It's like half turned inside out. It smells very polyestery. But that's okay. So it's I don't know what's going on with this. I'm probably gonna have to figure this out off camera, but there you go. It looks really goofy like this. But it's a nice long length, and that's what I needed, because I can't imagine wearing an actual, like, voile petticoat that long. Oh, it's inside out. Here it is. Okay.